Hello, you never be walking on break. We see box breaks for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection, box break number 67. There's the last minute for auction. There's Edmonton. So on the box is NE221140746. That's NE221140746. So good luck, everybody. So the base card 245 out of 499, Steven Stamkos for the Lightning. Also rookies for the Penguins, 343 to 499, Jeff Sackhoff. Ultimate autographed threads of 2 out of 25 for the Rangers of Theoren Fleury. And then we finish it off. The Ultimate Rookies, 48 out of 249 for the Rangers of Jesper Fast. There we go. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.